In this video, we are going to illustrate how to remove the shredder ring from a Salvajor disposer. The model shown in this video is a Model 100. Our models 200, 300, and 500 are removed in the same way. After removing the disposer from the sink, remove the 8 bolts holding the top housing to the base of the disposer. Once the aluminum top housing is removed, the center gasket needs to be removed, exposing the outer section of the disposer's shredder. Tap a flathead screwdriver between the teeth on the shredder ring. Using the faceplate for leverage, pry straight up. Repeat this step as you move around the shredder. Do this until the shredder is loose, then remove the shredder from the housing. For additional information, please contact Salvajor's service department. Thank you.